Back with another one for the Donk, man. We about to get this trim on here. I'm supposed to have some other trim and some...
Man, you know that trim coming, man. You know that trim coming.
I supposed to have
I flew in, though, so I couldn't even bring it with me, man. I couldn't bring it with me, but it's on the way.
We waiting on it.
It's on the way.
We try and make it. We try and make it. It's looking good right now.
Oh, it's looking good.
We try and make it. Y'all stay tuned. So we about to get that together. Got the trunk trim on the roof. Got to clean and polish that up. And then the sail panel trims. Got the clips and everything in the house. But as soon as the sun go down, because it's hot, we're going to come back. Hot. And we're going to get this stuff together. I ain't messed the video up. It's funny, huh? They was talking about you when you was pressing the buttons for the thing. When you said that nasty water came out.
Of the pipe?
Nah, remember when you was pressing it for the machine?
Oh, yeah.
They was like, what? She working it? The clown me about the shifter, man. Fix that thing next day. Couple other pieces, getting the chrome vents in. Get this trim cleaned up. Y'all see who pulled up on me.
Man, I'm here. I'm here.
We better get it together. Hey, J Malcolm, try and make it. It's looking good right now.
Man.
What's up, what's up? We back, we back. I'm telling y'all, man, that sun, boy, how you ready to pass out here. I ain't gonna even cap, for real. So we back. So on this piece of this panel, man, so I actually think that it's supposed to be a piece for a clip right there. But let's see. Oh man, I don't know how the heck I'm about to get to these pieces. Let me see. That metal piece come out. But like I said, I don't know. I'm about to give it a try because I need to put this on. Got the piece for the trunk, front window, and front piece pretty good. So we'll clean that first. Microfiber towels, lacquer thinner, polish. Got this wood for my battery tray, battery holder piece. But let's go ahead and get the cleaner. All that is paint. This piece got clear, primer, and paint. And scratches. All right, y'all see what that's looking like. I'd take the front window trim back off. This side won't clip, and I was wondering why. It's not gonna ever go on with that. And then this one is attached to the window, but not the roof. So that one ain't going in. I believe it's supposed to be one in the middle. All these was clipped. I just pulled them back. So I really want my window trim on though. You can tell right there on that side. There's supposed to be one right here. Maybe one in the middle. But I had to cut the silicone to see. Which I really don't want to do because I don't want the window to leak. That's up. Let's keep on going with all these pieces. That is really kind of, I ain't like that, man. Dang. Oh, let's get the truck trail off. That'd be quick. Let's hope nothing bad with that one. All right, for those who don't know, the trunk trim goes like this. But there's so much overspray and these aren't even shiny at all. So I really don't want to put it on there. So, that'll be that for now. And then this, if I put it on right now, it's gonna scratch the trunk up. Which, that's what it do if you put it on, scratch the trunk up. So, and the way it's looking, don't want to put it on. Try to clean it, try to polish it, nothing. Might have to wait. Come up with another method to clean it first. Because yeah, it's a little raggedy looking. It came off that one that was sitting outside for quite a while. So the sail panel trim, those didn't look too bad. I start cleaning those off. And then bolt them up. These ain't much work. At least it don't look like it. So we can do that in the back. All right, so on the sail panel, these pretty clean. And the way they work, 3 pieces, slide on the trim like I'm trying to do, and hold the phone. Like that. But I gotta go down some more. So one screw at a time. I'm about to go take the inside of the panel off. And then we bolt these up. Bolt the panel up to the side. Give me 1 second. All right, man, we back and my phone is about to die. Trim is definitely underrated. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I had to pull all this back to get to the trim bolts, which is no problem. Let me say that, it's no problem. But since the car is custom and all this stuff has been done, I had to take all of this apart. Rear deck. The rear deck has multiple pieces. You gotta make sure you don't break nothing, scratch nothing, rip nothing. My phone is about to die once again, so like I showed y'all, you gotta take all this apart, and then you'll see the holes for where you tighten it up at. And cut the light on. Got one back there. It's a plate that cover all this up. Here you go. I had to take the little screws up out of that. Yeah. Like that. So, yeah, let me go ahead and do what I do. Hey man, SCS man, it's the ending of the trim video. So I'm in need of some trim. Desperate need of some trim. Well, I got this car apart. I did not know you had to take all this stuff apart just to get trim right. Now that I got it apart, I noticed I'm missing this piece on the passenger side. And also, I don't know how to put this wing piece on and without messing it up. So somebody could let me know what to do. Be greatly appreciated. I don't know if you gotta take the hood off. I mean the trunk lid off to put it on or what, but if I put it all the way on and I try to lift the trunk up, it's like catching right here and it's pushing the piece up. I can't even get it to where I can screw it down, but it's pushing the wing on the trim piece, so. And then, like I said, the front windshield got to come out so I could get the rivets together on the other side. So that piece ain't going on. The trunk trim, got to take the back bump off, but I cannot get that clean enough to where I'm okay with it. So, I mean, worst case scenario, I'll just leave those two, but I really want the front window trim on. But I'm not taking the window out. Look like a gap tooth right there, man. It just look ugly, like a sore thumb. Sore thumb all the way. Looking good, I just might make it. As long as I can find insurance and get plates in time, I'll be all right, man. But definitely needed that trim if somebody got it and can help me out. SES, man, I'm out.